National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Naperville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Oak Brook, Westmont, Lisle, Villa Park, and Clarendon Hills around 8:10 p.m. Elmhurst, Addison, and Hinsdale around 8:15 p.m. Bensonville around 8:20 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a steady building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is